What's going on, guys? Welcome on back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be working on the 2006 Ford Focus, once again, right here behind me. And we're going to be pretty much wrapping up the front end. So let me switch you guys around and show you what we're going to do. All right, guys, so welcome back. We haven't touched on this project in a couple of videos, I want to say, but getting on back to it today because I got the parts and got the time. So basically in today's video, my hope is to basically button up this entire front end, get everything back to how it's supposed to be, and then all that's left to do in this car is just tires and literally get it on the road. So we're going to go ahead and bolt up the fender as well as the front bumper, both headlights, grill, and that stuff there. Shouldn't be bad, should go pretty smoothly. I've got all the bolts and stuff marked that I took out, so everything should go back into place pretty straightforward and easy. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, we got the new air filter box in, so literally it's putting that fender on. Oh, we do got to do the wheel liner, but I think that's pretty straightforward on this car too. And then just basically wrap it up and put all this back together. So I'll get you guys set up. We'll start with the fender, get that on nice and tight, and then probably move to the bumper, and then lastly with the headlights as a finishing touch. Oh, and we'll probably do the wheel liner too once the bumper's on, because I think there's a couple areas where it attaches there. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it and start working on this fender. Alrighty, folks, we got the fender on. And as you know, it takes a little bit of adjusting back and forth, but we've got a nice even gap there. We've got a nice even door gap there. Actually, really nice. Can open and close the door, no problems. Yep, pretty close here, but it doesn't rub. Nope. Perfect. So all good. Looks pretty nice. Again, good gap here. And it pretty much matches this side, factory side. There's that gap there and there's that gap there. So, and you can see opening this door, pretty much the same deal. So, all right, fender's on. Good to go. Gonna work on the, I guess it's time for the bumper next. So let's go ahead and get it and get started. Apologies guys, the phone battery was getting dead, but I wanted to show you the finished product. Just like that guys, we have a finished 2006 Ford Focus. Check it out. Now the bumper isn't exactly A+ quality. I got it from a junkyard, but I paid like 80 bucks for it, and since this is going to be a car to get me to work and back, I really didn't care. And it came out good. Fits pretty decent. Took a little finagling, but got it on. The only thing left to do is put the plastic, the black piece up underneath, the black plastic. I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you just to show you the fitment under the hood. Everything came out pretty good. Go ahead and pop it here real quick. And you can see there's the headlight, which are brand new. Got all the grill and everything back together. And then that headlight as well. So that's about it, guys. The 06 is done. All right, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Boy, it is humid out here today. I am sweating a good bit, but we got the front end done, so I'm super stoked about that. All we got left to do is mount the tires, put that black plastic piece up underneath, and then we are ready to go for the 06 Focus. And I'm excited because I'll have a good, cheap car on gas to get to work and back, so I'm pretty excited about that, guys. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the 06 Focus. Also, like the video if you enjoy the rebuild process here coming to a close. And subscribe to the channel if you like rebuilding videos like this or other how-tos on cars and things like that. Love to have you here on the channel. Without further ado, guys, until next time, always get out there, do it yourself.